Hello my people who love birds. Today our chosen bird is shoebill. Its scientific name is Baleniceps lex. It's a bird and its diet is carnivore. The average lifespan in the wild is at 5 years, while its average lifespan in captivity is 50 years. Today shoebill's population trend is decreasing. So for you, what is a shoebill? Depending on your perspective, a shoebill either has the same golfy charm as the long-lost dodo, or it looks like it might go on the attack any moment. What makes the aptly named shoebill so unique is its foot-long bill that resembles a Dutch clock, tan with brown spotchless. It's 5 inches wide and has sharp edges and a sharp hook on the end. Its specialized bill allows the shoebill to grab a large prey, including lungfish, tilapia, eels, and snakes. It even snacks on baby crocodiles and Nile mantis lizards. At the first glance, shoebills don't seem like they could be ambush predators. Reaching up to 5 feet tall with an 8-foot wingspan, shoebills have yellow eyes, grey features, white bellies, and a small featured crest on the back of their heads. They also have long, thin legs with large feet that are ideal for walking on the vegetation in the freshwater marshes and swamps they inhabit in East Africa, from Ethiopia and South Sudan to Zambia. Shoebills can stay motionless for hours, so when a helpless lungfish comes up for air, it might not notice its little prehistoric-looking bird looming until it's too late. The birds practice a hunting technique called collapsing, which involves landing on falling forward on their prey. Shoebills are in a family of their own, though they were once classified as storks. They do share traits with storks and herons, like the long necks and legs characteristics of wading birds, though their closest relatives are pelicans. Shoebill reproduction. Shoebills reach maturity at 3 to 4 years old, and the breeding pairs are monogamous. These birds are very solitary in nature, though, and even mating pairs will feed at opposite sides of their territory. Breeding pairs build the nest on the water on floating vegetation and can be up to 8 feet wide. Females lay an average of 2 eggs at the end of the rainy season. As co-parents, both birds tend to the eggs and young. This includes incubating and turning eggs and cooling them with the water they bring to the nest in their large bills. Hatching occurs in about a month. Chicks have bluish-gray down covering their bodies and a lighter colored bill. Only one chick typically survives to fledge. Shoebill conservation is the